Hey there, ad enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of dynamic keyword insertion and how it can supercharge your Google Ads performance. First things first, let's define dynamic keyword insertion. It's a powerful feature that allows you to customize your headlines based on the keywords users search in their queries. This amazing tool is incredibly versatile, as it can be applied to all search campaigns across all ad groups and even at the individual keyword level. Now, you might be wondering why you should use dynamic keyword insertion. Well, it's all about relevance. By incorporating the terms that users are searching for into your ad headlines, you instantly boost relevance and improve performance. But that's not all. Here's how you can benefit from DKI. 1. It enhances ad relevance, which leads to higher quality scores and lower costs per click over time. 2. It also helps trigger both broad and exact match keywords in your account, saving you time in ad group management and optimizing overall results. 3. DKI makes it easier to create relevant ads tailored to specific audiences by allowing you to write a variety of headlines for different purposes. 4. Lastly, DKI gives your ads a personalized touch that can lead to higher click-through rates (CTR) and better results overall, up to a whopping 90% in some cases. That's right, a massive 90% improvement in performance with just one simple change. So there you have it. Dynamic keyword insertion is an essential tool for boosting Google Ads performance and driving results. Give it a try today and see the difference it makes. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy advertising!